Hello everybody, welcome back to Americom. This is your teacher Joseph. Guys, if this is your first time watching our content, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make sure you like, you comment, and you share. Alright guys, today Americom is gonna show you how to operate in a question tag. I promise you guys, you desperately need this, like 100%, okay? Leo Americom ngejehone seni namna ya urumia question tag. Na kama ngofanya backing ngofanya BBC, sasa mieux pour vous. Ungalie, ustahi ujue amba nongwenini iliyo tableau leo. So, question tag are used when asking for agreements and confirmation. So, question tag zinasizurumia na kinga sahau rijue generalement na kinga sahau confirmation ya hamwe phrase kama ndirerongoa. Alright? So, longer jaroni namna ya usrumia be ngehamai part 1 because like there is part 1 and part 2 ngobo parti ya hana na parti ya vile. Alright, so tazi combinaison mbili leo tulongwamba ngamjonifanye de moja après prochainement rejerfone ya vili. Okay, alright, so let's stick on the ball because like this is so important for you to understand, because actually our goal is to know better and better. Alright, your objective here to rejue, falama rejue, okay? Alright, so let me tell you some really important. Question tag, c'est pas seulement ba nakango fanya back na BBC, mais question tag zinasizurumia na kinga babo Shingereza, ngotio le question tag, la vraiment tu es boss, alright? So you're gonna sound like Barack Obama, and that's literally our goal, right? Na regalie tableau, regalie comment ça se produit ici, okay? Alright, so here we have question tag part 1, okay? My question tag, parti ya handa. So a positive statement equals a negative question tag, alright? So be careful, namgalia uzuri, faut faire attention, na kai phrase ya ngei positive, question tag yoka negative. Na kai phrase ngei negative, question tag yoka positive, okay? Alright, so guys, let's go, alright? Vous allez bien comprendre parce que ça c'est très important de jouer comment faire les phrases avec le question tag, okay? Ça c'est très important. Alright, so let's see. Here we have you are a student. You are a student. Alright, so here nga jarone namnazo pose a question tag yatu. So verbe to be are, verbe to be. You are a student, ça veut dire vous êtes des élèves. So here Maori, n'est-ce pas? Right? So n'est-ce pas? En anglais, yonda par rapport na hebu phrase yako iliyo. Here we have you are a student, aren't you? So are plus n apostrophe na ite pour faire la négation, right? Yeah, à la forme contractée. So here we have aren't you. Remember question tag, hamwe question tag wasurumia forme contractée. Toujours. Amazi tag zatu na kange pozo tag toujours yoka la forme contractée. Kuna jorongwari are not you. No. So that's gonna be aren't you. Okay, aren't you? Alright, so here we have he is very busy. Remember, is ça c'est le verbe être. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, and whatever. So here we have he is very busy. Il est très occupé. Alright? So here we have he is very busy. Ngale huno isn't he. Au lieu de dire is not he, question tag haraya, toujours on met la forme contractée. Hamai tag huno, right? So isn't he? He is very busy, isn't he? Right? Isn't he? Okay? Isn't he? Alright, au lieu de dire is not he, ngale la forme contractée. Isn't he? So here we have they were surprised. They were surprised, okay? Ils étaient surpris, okay? Alright? So, ils étaient surpris. So, they were surprised, okay? So, verbe to be conjugué au passé simple. I was, you were, he was, and ainsi de suite, alright? So, they were surprised. So, harmai question tag, au lieu de dire were not they, mais simplement on dit weren't they. Weren't they? So weren't, okay? Et quand toujours la forme contractée. So weren't they? Alright? Okay, so here we have you speak English. Faites attention. You speak English. Wamefanya question tag huno kuna watu wanaongea speak you. No. So here on va utiliser to do. Alright? Na ka phrase nge seki na mneno na kaka sina verbe to have wala verbe to be. Là automatiquement on va utiliser le verbe to do. Là ça sera auxiliaire mais pas un verbe. Alright? So here we have you speak English. Na kama pose question soka, do you speak English? Yes, I do. I speak English, right? So here we have you speak English. Question tag ngekao, don't you? Sound very better, right? Na kama ndio wanu you like, oh, you speak English, don't you? Right? Question tag zo jisa swa chama Xingereza udongo pose, right? Udongo zitia mas phrase à la fin pour chercher la confirmation. Okay? So here we have you studied for the test. Ça veut dire utwali pour le devoir. So here we have you studied, verbe to study conjugué au passé simple. This is actually a regular verb. Look at l'idée à la fin, right? So you studied for the test. So here we have notre way, n'est-ce pas? Donc here, regardez, you studied, ça c'est le passé simple. Donc on va utiliser le verbe to do au passé simple qui est I did, you did, jusqu'à they did, right? Donc on va faire la question. Donc that's gonna be question tag, okay? So here we have you studied for the test, didn't you? Oh, bro, you studied for the test, didn't you? So here on utilise toujours le verbe to do, na ka verbe être ou bien avoir ou bien can, could, les deux auxiliaires moto casis. Automatiquement to do les deux mots okay? So here we have you have worked all week. You have worked all week. Remember, to work we conjugate au present perfect parce que here you have worked all week. Na kanga conjugué au verbe au present perfect. Just think regarde un titre na kanga conjugué au verbe au present perfect. On conjugue le verbe to have au présent simple plus le participe passé du verbe qu'on veut conjuguer. OK? Ça c'est la formule. Here we have you have worked. Donc this is to work conjugué au présent perfect. So you have worked all week. Tu as travaillé toute la semaine. Donc on t'en n'est-ce pas? All right, n'est-ce pas? Et ça c'est confirmation. That's gonna be, you have worked all week, haven't you? Haven't you? Là, question tag, you have, na forme contractée, haven't you? Alright? So, oh my God, you have worked all week, haven't you? Okay? Yeah, so classy. Alright, so here we have, you will pass the exam. You will pass the exam. Ça veut dire, so, pareil examen. So, n'est-ce pas? Right? So, au lieu de dire will not you pour faire le tag, on va faire la forme contractée. La forme contractée, il y a will. À la forme négative, ça c'est won't, mais pas will not. Okay? Won't. Donc, here, you will pass the exam. Won't you? Oh my God, you will pass the exam, won't you? Là, on cherche la confirmation. Toujours. Et c'est très classique d'utiliser le question tag na kango babo Xingereza parce que mbone hano très professionnel, alright? So, les siens leo ino ya hatu pia richindere leo pour mieux utiliser les question tag. Here we have you can speak 2 languages. Ça c'est déjà hamwezi modal verbs, okay? So, modal verbs they can, could, would, must, may, might, okay? How to, whatever. So, here we have can. You can speak 2 languages. Donc tu peux parler 2 langues. N'est-ce pas? Right? You can speak 2 languages. Here we have can't you. Can't you? Au lieu de dire cannot you. Ça c'est toujours forme contractée. Tag. Yo aussi toujours yo n'est parce que c'est ça comment la grammaire nous a dit, right? The grammaire c'est à la forme contractée, okay? Oh my God, you can speak 2 languages, can't you? Okay? N'est-ce pas? Right? So là, on cherche la confirmation. Et c'est très classique d'utiliser ça quand on parle anglais. Moi, quand je parle, j'utilise toujours les confirmations. Ça veut dire le question tag. Alright, so here we have I am late. Faites attention, ok? Wajarongwa I am late. Donc, on a un poseau tag itokari am I? No. Moi, question tag, il n'y a pas am I. Alright? Regardez, I am late. Je suis en retard. I am late. Je suis en retard. I'm talking about, n'est-ce pas? Je dis souvent la question tag. Here aren't. Toujours aren't. Mais pas am I. Ou bien am I not. Ou bien whatever. This is gonna be aren't. Okay? So I'm late. Aren't I? Oh my God, I'm late. Aren't I? Right? Oh gosh, I'm so hungry. Aren't I? Right? So aren't I? Aren't I? Mais pas am I not ou bien am not I, whatever. So that's gonna be aren't I, okay? Be careful. Faites attention. So here we have let's go home. Wanashona para mtisa basi question tag ya na kasema let's go home. Question tag itoka jeje, right? Imagine usomeswa question tag de zino tu kwa hundi wabano, right? Undo para suku phrase let's go home go tufanya question tag. Tu es surpris parce que kusijua let's go home. Go home, why? Go whatever, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta get confused, right? So here I'm gonna show you how to use it, right? So when you say let's go home, allons-y à la maison, right? You start posing question tag. Shall we? Imagine uji para harma biro. Après ngomja mbuje, right? Ngomja mbuje ma intervene hazilio ama other department ama biro yangina, I don't know. Bengo mbali prepare. Ngomtande okay, let's go, right? Be au lieu de dire let's go, shall we? Right? Shall we? It's so classy, right? Parce que bali ngompre, everybody's ready, right? So you kind of like, shall we? Right? In the hebu grammar ya hambia ambari utilize zinongozino, okay? I think that you really understand. Je kwamba mwelo wa hauzuri parce que zinoti kastambisha, yani zoti nziro, right? So mambo ashinde aone a refere amba bon, you know, lazima ikeja s'il vous plaît na kango bomruka elewa na kama ruko elewa hauzuri, utojua komante unambia amba ngona problem ha mafrazi moja kwa elewa komsari retenzi yani tawiyelewe, right? Parce que but ya turielewe. Americom is here to make you happy, right? To make sure that you perform better. Alright, so ritonana hamai lesson yadunga. So I shall see you in the next lesson. Peace.